Hello, this is Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another Bokksu unboxing. Let's get this open. It says right here at the top, discover Japan through snacks. And this month we have Colors of Kyoto. I like this booklet because it tells you where everything comes from and if the flavors are savory or sweet, or what allergies the candy or treat may have, or what it also contains, or if it is vegetarian. It tells you all the snacks that are in the box. Tells you a description of the snacks and how they're made. Here are those different snacks. This waffle looks really good. I like the design of the packages that they use, because a lot of them are really pretty packages. I like the crunchy sweet kind of snacks. Those are my favorite. They also sometimes include teas or coffees, which I think is excellent when it comes to these. They also include this at the bottom. It's a code to save 10% off. That looks like that's the end of the box. Thank you guys for joining us.